हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके इंडिया वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज में हम साइंस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं साइंस सब्जेक्ट जो कि नॉन साइंस बैकग्राउंड्स के स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ही मुश्किल लगता है। अगर साइंस सब्जेक्ट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो इस सब्जेक्ट्स के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को ईजिली सोल्व कर सकते हैं, बट जो कि स्टूडेंट्स नॉन साइंस बैकग्राउंड को बिलोंग करते हैं उनके लिए साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है। सो इसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए आज मैं आपसे साइंस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा। इस साइंस सब्जेक्ट की सीरीज़ में सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कुछ विटामिन्स के बारे में और विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ के बारे में। वेरियस एग्जाम्स इन इंडिया विच आर MCQ बेस्ड, they ask questions based upon this topic, that is vitamin deficiency diseases. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं what are vitamins. What is the definition of vitamins? Vitamins are basically organic chemical compounds. These compounds are needed by the human body, but they are not synthesized in human body in adequate amounts. So we have to give supplements of vitamins so that to fulfill the needs of vitamins of human body. So these are organic chemical compounds. Now the next important point is that who first of the time discovered vitamins. You have to remember this name, Casimir Funk. In 1912 he described the vitamins for the first time. So he is the person or scientist who is related with the discovery of vitamins. So if we get a question who discovered vitamins, so have to remember this name, Casimir Funk. Now what are various types of vitamins? Broadly speaking, there are these groups of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, E and broadly speaking there are 6 groups of vitamins. Now we have to remember this point that B and C group, they are water soluble vitamins, and A, D and K, these are fat soluble vitamins. So we have to remember this point. Sometimes exam में question पूछा जाता है which vitamins are water soluble. So vitamin B and C, they are water soluble vitamins. Then the question is which of the following are fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E and K, they are fat soluble vitamins. We have to remember these points. Then vitamin B is divided into further subtypes: vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. So vitamin B is divided into further these subtypes. So sometimes we get a question, how many types of vitamin are there in total? So if we count these vitamins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are total 13 types of vitamins. We have to remember this question. Now we will discuss about vitamin deficiency diseases. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बात करते हैं फैट सोल्युबल विटामिन के बारे में। Vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as retinol. And another important point to remember for vitamin A is that the rich source of vitamin A is carrots and cod liver oil. और विटामिन A की डेफिशिएंसी से जो डिजीज होती है उसको हम जानते हैं नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस। So, vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness due to weakness of the cornea. Cornea is a layer in the eye. So, there is a weakness of that layer which leads to night blindness. And sometimes doctor they found these spots to make a diagnosis of vitamin A deficiency by Bitot spots. So, we can get a question like this: the night blindness occurs due to which vitamin deficiency? Vitamin A deficiency. Cratomalacia occurs due to which deficiency? Vitamin A deficiency. Bitot spots are seen in which condition? Vitamin A deficiency. Next is vitamin D. This vitamin is further of two types: vitamin B2 and B3. This is also known as cholecalciferol. This is the chemical name of vitamin D. The source of vitamin D is sunlight, fish and eggs. And deficiency of vitamin D causes two diseases. What are those diseases? One is rickets, second is osteomalacia. Rickets occurs in children, osteomalacia occurs in adults. Both of these diseases lead to weakness of the bones. Now the next vitamin is vitamin E. This is also known as tocopherols. And fruits, vegetables, nuts, they are the rich source of vitamin E. Deficiency of vitamin E is related with sterility. So we can get a question on this, like which vitamin is deficiency is related with sterility. So vitamin E deficiency is related with sterility. Or sometimes we get a question like which of the following is anti-sterility vitamins? Vitamin E. We have to remember this. Next is vitamin K, which is known as phylloquinone. Chemically, it is phylloquinone. And the rich source of vitamin K is leafy green vegetables. Vitamin K deficiency is associated with bleeding disorders. Bleeding disorders. So, if a question comes, bleeding disorders are associated with which vitamin deficiency? Vitamin K deficiency. Now we talk about water soluble vitamins. First we talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Citrus fruits, they are rich source of vitamin C, and deficiency of vitamin C leads to a disease which is known as scurvy. This is very important question और ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. सो वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. स्कर्वी इज ड्यू टू विच विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी? विटामिन सी. Now we come to vitamin B group. Out of this, first vitamin B1, which is known as thiamine. And the sources of vitamin B1 are pork, liver, and eggs. Vitamin B1 deficiency leads to a disease which is known as beriberi. So this is also very important question. Beriberi disease is due to which vitamin deficiency? This is B1 deficiency. What happens in beriberi? Two systems of the body are affected. First is cardiovascular system, यानी कि हमारा जो हार्ट है वो इस डिजीज में इफेक्ट हो जाता है. सेकेंड इज नर्वस सिस्टम. सो beriberi disease leads to problems in the heart and brain. Next is vitamin B2. This is known as riboflavin. And fruits, dairy products, they are the rich source of vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Now, deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to, one is glossitis, and second is angular stomatitis. Glossitis means there occurs inflammation of the tongue. Second is angular stomatitis means at the angle of the mouth there occurs inflammation and redness. This is known as angular stomatitis, and these are due to deficiency of vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Next vitamin is vitamin B3. It is also known as niacin. And meat, fish, eggs, etc. they are the rich source of vitamin B3 or niacin. The deficiency of vitamin B3 or niacin leads to pellagra. So this is also very important question. Pellagra occurs due to which vitamin deficiency? Niacin deficiency or vitamin B3 deficiency. What happens in pellagra? We have to remember 3 D's. First D means diarrhea or loose motions. Second is dementia, yani memory loss. And third is dermatitis, means there is some inflammation of the skin. Diarrhea, dementia, and dermatitis are part of pellagra. Next vitamin is vitamin B5. It is known as pantothenic acid, and meats, broccoli, They are the rich source of vitamin B5. Deficiency of vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid is associated with some paresthesia or numbness sensations in the feet, also known as burning feet syndrome. So there is a sensations of burning in the feet. This is known as burning feet syndrome, and this is due to deficiency of vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Next vitamin is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, and meat and vegetable, they are the rich source of vitamin B6. Deficiency of pyridoxine leads to, one is anemia, second is peripheral न्यूरोपैथी, मीन्स जो बॉडी की नर्व्स हैं उनकी वीकनेस हो जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी. सेकेंड इज अनीमिया. दीज आर ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन B6 और pyridoxine. नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन B7 which is known as biotin. So raw egg, yolk, liver, etc. they are the rich source of biotin or vitamin B7. Deficiency of vitamin B7 or biotin leads to dermatitis, inflammation of the skin, and enteritis or inflammation in the intestine. Another important point is that biotin is also related with hair growth. Next vitamin is vitamin B9, also known as folic acid. Leafy vegetables, bread, etc. they are the rich source of vitamin B9, and deficiency of vitamin B9 or folic acid leads to anemia, which is known as megaloblastic anemia. This is a type of anemia, megaloblastic anemia. And second is neural tube defects. Neural tube defects are seen in the newborns if mother is not taking adequate doses of vitamin B9 or folic acid. So deficiency of folic acid in the mothers during pregnancy leads to neural tube defects in the newborn child. And the last vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is also known as methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, and deficiency of vitamin B12 leads to megaloblastic anemia. So we have to remember these important points related to vitamins and vitamin deficiency diseases. अगर आपको हमारा लेक्चर पसंद आता है तो आप हमारे लेक्चर को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.